Classified on Topic 1, Paper 4, question number 2. From November 2016, Variant 1, question 2. Matter can exist as solid, liquid, or gas. The arrows show some changes of state. Name the changes of state represented on the diagram, A, B, and C. A, from solid to liquid, melting. So A is melting. B, from solid to gas, sublimation. From gas to liquid, condensation. Explain why energy has to be supplied to turn a liquid into a gas. So if we have a liquid, to turn the liquid into a gas, why do we need energy? Because energy is needed to overcome or break the attraction forces. So, to overcome or break the attraction forces. The diagrams represent the same number of particles of a gas in two containers, D and E, which have different volumes. The two containers are at the same temperature. So we have here the same temperature. But what about the volume? The volume is different. The volume is different. And they have the same number of gas particles. In which container will the pressure be higher? The pressure will be higher in container number E. Why container number E? Because container number E has smaller volume. So smaller volume means the particles hit the walls of the container more often. But here we have more space in container number D. So the answer is E. Explain your answer. E has smaller volume, so the particles hit the walls of the container more often. Particles behave differently when in different physical states. Solids have fixed volume, definite shape. Gases have no fixed volume and take the shape of the container. Describe the volume and shape of liquids. What about the volume of the liquids? The volume of the liquids, do they have a fixed volume? Yes, they have a fixed volume. What about the shape? They take the shape of the container like the gases. So they take the shape of the container. Question number B. Complete the table to show the separation, arrangement, and movement of particles in each physical state. And this table is out of 6 marks. So regarding the solid, separation of particles. How are the particles separated? As we know, the solid particles are closely packed, so the particles are touching. What about the arrangement of the particles? The arrangement of the particles are in a regular pattern. Regular pattern. What about the movement of the particles? Do they move? They only vibrate. What about the gas particles? The gas particles, are they touching? No, they are not touching. As we know, the gas particles are far apart from each other. What about the arrangement of the particles? They have random arrangement. What about the movement of the particles? They move randomly in all directions. Move randomly in all directions. Name the following changes of state. Ice into water. Ice melts, so the process is melting. Solid carbon dioxide turning directly into gaseous carbon dioxide. So from solid to gas without passing through the liquid state is named sublimation.